This video will demonstrate the resist chemical tape performance versus general purpose masking tape. Why chemical resistance is important to customers? Abrasive chemicals are a tool used in many modern production processes to form rubber or decorative surface or to make surface ready for the next production step. Examples include anodizing metal pieces to make a durable logo design on mobile device, stripping paint from an aeroplane exterior, electroplating door insert to create decorative automotive parts. Due to the sensitive nature of some parts, design needs or aesthetics, surface may need to be protected during chemical exposure. For this demonstration, we'll show our chemical resist tape, polyester tape 8992, polyvinyl tape 471 versus masking tape 2214. So we are gonna apply concentrated sulfuric acid 50% on the tape, and we have a look whether the tapes can resist the penetration of the acid solutions. Now I will apply the sulfuric acid solution along the perimeters of the tape. Please make sure you're wearing a protective glove. So we will take some time to let the acid solution to leave there. After 10 minutes, we could see that the liquid solution still remain on the tape 8992 and 471, whereas the acid solution penetrate through the tape 2214 and it wet out the whole tape backing. Now let's see, we remove slowly the excess acid from the surface. Now you take a look on the tape 8992. Nothing much change. So on the back also, so the tape managed to protect the glass from acid solution. How about 471? Still okay. And behind also, we didn't see the acid solution to penetrate through the backing. And here is, you can see for masking tape 2214, right? Because of the acid solution started to penetrate through the perimeter, it started to lift off, right? And you could see it's a completely wet out from the backing. You can see from here. So this means that the general purpose masking tape, right, is unable to protect the acid solution, unlike our chemical resist tape 8992 and 471, which protect well. Thank you.